Good evening, everybody. Jarrett Gold here with your video update on the possible coastal storm this weekend. Let's talk about what we know. A storm will form late this week, but it appears that the southern branch energy and the northern branch energy will phase too late and too far east for any impacts to southern New England. The northern branch energy is just too strong, and that's going to end up kicking this system out to sea. The models do tend to struggle with these phasing type situations, so we do need to watch them just in case. However, it is highly unlikely that a snow event will occur. Here's why. So let's take a look at the GFS. This was earlier today at 12Z, hour 0 of the GFS. So that is where the piece of energy for the storm is right now, over northern Canada, and that's going to be diving southward over the next 24 to 48 hours. So I'm going to fast forward here. This is hour 66 of the 12Z GFS, and you could see an extremely pronounced upper low centered over really the Charlotte, North Carolina area. So that's our southern piece of energy here, and here's our northern piece. Now this northern piece is just too strong, and that's moving forward, that's moving out here like that, so that's going to kick this out to sea. Now if this was weaker and moving slower, or there was high pressure here to slow it down, it would act as a pivot and move the system along the coast, and then the system would suck in a lot of cold air as it rode up along the coast, and it would produce snow impacts in this area, but that is not going to happen. And this solution out here, where it tracks out to sea, looks to be this scenario that's going to occur with this. And there will be some impacts felt, particularly from the wind with the system as a result of the pressure gradient that sets up, because it will be a pretty deep blow offshore, and there might be some rain, and as the cold air ushers in towards the end, we could see a couple of flurries and some rain and mixed snow showers around. So the bottom line, snow is unlikely. However, we should watch the models just in case there's an unlikely switch, because as I said before, models do have a difficult time with these phasing situations. And we've seen times last year where it's projected a storm going out to sea until about 2 days before, and then it's switched. I don't think that'll be the case here, but nonetheless a situation to keep your eye on.